When Windows 10 first launched, there were no browser extensions for Microsoft Edge. With the release of Windows 10 Anniversary Update, Edge now supports extensions. I know it took them long enough. Today I will show you how to install browser extensions in Microsoft Edge. Once you get Edge opened up, click on the three-dot icon in the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down, select Extensions. Click on the link that says Get Extensions from the Store. Once you're in the store, it'll show you all the extensions available for Edge. I'm currently counting a whopping 22 extensions available for Edge. Pardon my sarcasm. It's a young browser. Hopefully this number will improve over time. One advantage with Edge is with so few extensions, it will be easier to choose the extensions you would like to install as compared to Chrome and Firefox, which have a lot more extensions. Click on an extension that you would like to have. I'll choose OneNote here. Then click on Install. Now it's going to go through the downloading process. Now you just need to follow the steps that it asks you to take. So do you want to turn it on? I think I'll turn it on. Some OneNote propaganda. Once it's installed, it'll show up in your extensions bar. If you'd like to change your settings, click on the settings icon. And you can choose whether to leave OneNote Web Clipper on or off. And you also have the option to show the button next to the address bar. Just turn that on so it shows up right here. And that's how you install extensions in Microsoft Edge. Do you like Microsoft Edge? Let me know in the comments. Click the like button, and if you haven't done so already, click on the subscribe button below this video to be notified of new tips and how-to videos from Tech Gumbo.